Good morning, children. Today we'll make a rabbit or bunny face with the help of a tissue paper. You have to take any colored tissue paper. This is a tissue paper. You have to spread it like this. You will spread the tissue paper like this. Then you will keep on folding the tissue paper. Look like this. You have to do. Very good, very nice. You have to fold the tissue paper like this. You have to fold it. Then after folding, you have to fold it like this. You have to fold it like this. Is it clear? You have to fold it like this. Then you have to take a rubber band and put the rubber band like this. You have to put the rubber band now. When you will put the rubber band, these are the ears of your bunny, and you will now do the work with sketch pen. You will make the eyes of the bunny. You will make the nose of the bunny. See, like this you will do, and then with a pink sketch pen, you will color the ears of the top part of the ears of the bunny like this. You will apply some pink colored sketch pen. See, this is a face of a bunny. You have made a bunny with the help of tissue paper. So now make this craft and send the video.